This is REALME 12 Plus, and today I'll show how you can turn on or off the Talkback feature on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to launch Settings. Here, enter the Additional Settings category, then open the Accessibility, Vision, Talkback. The method to use Talkback that involves the most hassle is by simply using this Talkback toggle.
Close to allowing snap talkback on to stop talkback on.
But there is also a way way more convenient method or course of action to use the Talkback through this shortcut option. So tap on it to open its preferences and enable whatever method, should it be accessibility button or hold volume keys or both, that you would like to use the accessibility or the Talkback feature through. Now, wherever you are in the system, you can enable the Talkback by either tapping at the shortcut or by holding both volume keys at the same time.
Release the volume keys. To turn on Talkback, press and hold both volume keys again for 3 seconds. Talkback on. System launcher. Talkback off.
So that will be more or less it for this video. Hence, thanks for watching and bye bye.